everyone, today we're going to do something fun. Me and Bella are going to make brownies. Let's go. We'll be baking the brownies in an 8-inch square pan. I have this disposable tin pan here, so I figured I might as well use that. I put some butter in here, and instead of flouring the pan, I used the cocoa powder because I didn't want, since they're chocolate, I didn't want the white flour showing up on top of it. So this will make it look more aesthetically pleasing. This recipe is really easy because you start out by melting a stick of butter in a pan, and then you do everything else in this pan, including beating everything together. And it's nice when you get to melt butter in a recipe instead of having to have softened butter, because how many times have you wanted to make something you've forgotten to soften the butter? Our butter is melted. The next step is to remove the pot from the heat, and then we're going to stir in a cup of sugar, 2 eggs, and some vanilla extract. Just stir that together with a spoon. Calls for a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I used whatever I had left in my little container because it was about a teaspoon. I'm not even sure it was a whole teaspoon. So I just used what I had. So once we stir these together, then we're going to beat in the other dry ingredients. For the dry ingredients, we have a 1/2 cup of flour, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and we're going to beat these together until it's smooth. Now we're going to transfer the batter to our prepared baking pan. Now we're going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Knife came out clean. They're done. Now we'll let these cool for a few minutes before we try to cut them. I wish you could smell my kitchen. I'm just going to leave these right in the tin. Slice them up. Would you like a brownie? I hope you enjoyed that recipe. If your kids are home from school, it's a good thing to do with them because they're really easy and it doesn't take many ingredients. So thank you for watching. Please share this video with your friends, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye!